Good afternoon, my dear students, and welcome to your maths class. I hope you all are fit and fine and once again ready to learn and have fun with numbers. We begin with part 2, addition by carrying over. Now, we have already studied addition in our first part. So, now let us see addition by carrying over. How to add numbers by carrying over. Here, let us see the example. Salma has 7 strings of tens and 7 single beads. Sonu has 8 strings of tens and 5 single beads. So Salma has 77 beads and Sonu has 85 beads. Now, when they put all of this together, the strings, they have 15 strings and 12 single beads. These 7 beads and 5 beads. So these are 7 and 5, 12 single beads, and all these strings are total 15 strings. Now, you know that 10 unit is 110. That means 10 units is equal to 110. So, from this units, so these 7 beads and 5 beads, they took out 10 beads. So, they took these 7 beads and they took 3 beads. And this 10 beads they put into one more string. Okay. And they were left with 2 single beads. So, now instead of 15 strings, they have 16 strings. This 15 and the one more string that they made using the single 10 beads. So now they have 16 strings and 2 single beads left with them. Now what did they do? They have put together, they have taken all these strings together of tens. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now out of 16 strings, they took 10 strings together. So 10 strings together, 10 tens, correct? 10 strings together means 10 tens gives you 100. So these are all 100 beads. From 16, they took 10 strings which gave them 100. Now 6 strings are left. So these are 6 tens, 6 strings of tens. So 6 tens is equal to 60. And then they are left with 2 single beads. So 2 units. So these are 2 single beads. Total, when they added them together, they had 162 beads. So on bringing all these beads together, they got 162 beads with them. Now this addition they did with the help of these strings and beads. Now let us see first how many tens is hundreds when you convert them into hundreds and tens. So here you know that 10 is equal to 100. So when you have a number more than 10, that is 12 or 11, after 10 comes 11. So if you have 11 tens means how many? 100 and 110. 10 tens are 100, correct? So 11 tens will be 100 and 110. Then 12 tens means 102 tens. I have already done this for you. You are going to write this in your textbook later on. So 15 tens means 105 tens. So 105 tens. 5 means 50. So 150 is written as 105 tens. 17 tens means 107 tens. 18 tens is 108 tens. 21 tens is 201 ten. Now you see here it is 21. So 2 will be hundreds, that is 2 hundreds, and 1 10. Just like that, if the number is given in hundreds and tens, you can convert it into tens only. Then how you write? 100 2 tens is equal to 12 tens. That means 100 and 2 is tens. There are no units here. So hundreds and tens. 104 tens, 14 tens. 302 tens will be 32 tens. 403 tens will be 43 tens. 509 tens will be 59 tens. So just like that, see, tens into hundreds and tens, and hundreds and tens into tens. So this you are going to complete it in your textbook. So children, you saw addition using the strings of bits, and we saw that 10 tens is equal to 100, that is 100 0 tens, and that way we saw that 11 tens, 12 tens. So the numbers in tens, how to write in hundreds and tens. Now here let us see addition by carrying over, addition of the numbers by carrying over. Here you have a bag of 100, 1, 2 tens and 8 units. Then you have 2 bags of 100, 1 10 and 6 units. So this can be added as 100, 2 tens, 8 units plus 200, 1 10 and 6 units. So instead of writing units, tens, hundreds, we write it in this form. So 100, tens and units, we place the number 128, 100, 2 tens, 8 units, 200, 110 and 6 units. So we add them, put plus sign. Now see, addition of the numbers, we begin always with units place. So 8 plus 6, what is 8 plus 6? 14. Correct? We got 14. Now 14 units makes 110 and 4 units. So here in units place you keep 4 and the tens number you carry over in tens place. Now let us add the numbers in tens place. Begin with the first number that you have carried over. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So you get 4 tens. Now there is no number to carry over. So add the numbers in hundreds place now. 1 plus 2 is 3. So what is your answer? 300, 4 tens and 4 units. Now let us study one more example of addition given here. 267 plus 539. Now as you know, you always begin with units place. See, 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 means what? 110 and 6 units. So you write 6 over here and 1 you carry in tens place. So tens you give to tens, carry over in tens place, write it here. Then you add the numbers in tens place along with the number carried over. So 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Now what is this 10? 10 tens, correct? What are 10 tens? 100 and 0 tens. 100. 10 tens means 100, 100. So 100 and 0 tens. So this one you will carry up in hundreds place. So when you carry over in hundreds place, you will add these numbers now in hundreds place along with the 100 carried over here. So the 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 5 is 8. So this we can write here as 7 plus 9, 16. So write 6. The other digit carry up in tens place. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Keep 0 here and carry number 1 on the top in hundreds place. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. So your answer is 806. Okay. Now let us see the examples. More sums given on page number 52. Here the question is, carry out the addition below. So here 135 plus 476. Begin with units place. 5 plus 6. How much is 5 plus 6? 11. Good. 1 you write in units place and carry 1 in tens place. 11 means 110, 1 unit. So 1 unit we write here and 110 we carry over in tens place. 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 7 is 11 again. So here 11 tens. You get 11 tens. 1 right over here and 1 you carry in hundreds place. 11 tens means what? 100 and 110. So 100, that 1 we carry over here and 110, that 1 we write in tens place. So now add these numbers. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. So what answer you got? 611. Now let us see sums given on page number 53. What is the question? Arrange vertically and add. Your numbers are given in horizontal manner. You're going to arrange them vertically and add them. So let us begin. First thing you have to do is write hundreds, tens and units. And then you will place the number in its correct column. So 500, 3 tens and 6 units. Plus, you finish writing one number, put plus sign. Then plus 236. Again plus, because there is one more number, that is number 19. Now it is 2-digit number, so write it in tens place and units place. So now let us count them and add the numbers. First you begin with units place. 6 plus 6. How much is 6 plus 6? 12. Very good. 6 plus 6 is 12. And 12 plus 9. Count and tell me how much is 12 plus 9? It is 21. Very good. So you write 1 in units place and that 2 carry in tens place. Now 2 plus 3 is 5. Am I right? 5 plus 3 is 8. And 8 plus 1 is 9. Now, is there any number that you have to carry over in hundreds place? No, there is no number. So, now add the numbers given in hundreds place. 5 plus 2 is 7. So, what is your answer? 791. Here are few more sums given. You are going to add the numbers correctly. But before that, when you write the numbers in vertical manner, see that you write the numbers properly. You place the numbers in proper columns. So that's all for today, children. You have learned addition by carrying over. So practice all these sums given in your textbook and complete the work given in textbook and also in your notebook. That's all for today. Thank you, dear children, and have a nice day.